I told you again and again that we use different magnets, and we use magnets in our daily lives, in different things, in our household, in our homes. We use different types of magnets for different purposes. We have magnets attached in different household equipments in our homes, like refrigerator, television, mobiles, so many things they have magnets in them, and we use them. So we are going to discuss the uses of different magnets. Magnets are used for several purposes and in many devices. So in different things, in many devices, we use the magnets in our household, in our daily lives. Motors, generators, loudspeakers, all these things have very powerful magnets attached in them, which we use daily. The main important thing that use magnet for human being, that is mariner's compass. The magnets are used in the magnetic compasses. We discussed earlier also that the compass, it helps the mariners to get the directions, as a magnet always point towards north south, so they get an idea about the north direction. They use it to find the direction, and it consists of magnetic needle which help in finding the direction. Electricity meters we all have seen in our houses, that readings are being noted in those meters about how much electricity we consume daily. So the electricity meters, refrigerators, doors, and the dynamos of bicycles and different automobiles, they use magnets. Magnets are being installed in them. See what is the, I just use the word dynamos of bicycle. Then you see, where is it? The electricity, not only electricity meters, but also different equipments that we use with electricity, like refrigerator doors. And these are the dynamos of bicycle wheel that rub against the tire to make the magnetic turn. This helps in the moving of the cycle properly. The audio or video tapes, though these things are not in use nowadays, you may not have seen these, but I have seen, and your parents must also have seen these, that magnetic tapes are used as audio and video tapes. They consist of a magnetic material coated on the plastic tape, which we used to play in earlier times, previous times, few years back, I can say 15 years back, we used to play these things, and we use these things. Even I have used these videotape, I have seen these. Computer hard disk. Computer hard disk used in these computers to store the information. It also consists of magnetic material coated on plastic disk. So all these things, it stores the information of the computer, and it also has a magnetic material coated on the disk. NMR imaging, nuclear magnetic resonance. So we also call MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. So these things which are used to study the brain, magnetic rays are used, magnetism is used in these things. The magnetic resonance imaging machine, it consists of strong magnets, it has strong magnets which helps to capture the image of the different organs inside the body. And we can say healthcare professionals, they use MRIs to diagnose tumors and examining brain and spinal cord. Next one is toys, bulletin boards. The magnets are used in the bulletin boards and toys. When we use different toys, and the kids, they play with them and they stick to the board, so magnets are used in these bulletin boards. And one of the most important thing that has become an important part of our lives nowadays, that are the credit cards. There are magnetic strips used in these credit cards which store the information. They have magnetic strip inside them, and they store the information, and which help in this money transfer. They are very important nowadays because we all are using these credit cards and this. Next is scrap management. Means magnets are used to pick the iron pieces because magnets they attract the magnetic substances, and when we have scrap or junk, we can say useless things, so we can use magnets that will attract the iron pieces, and then all junk will be left, only iron pieces will be attracted to